it's Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're doing a video that we've done many videos like this before, but I just wanted to do a refresh and phrase it in a different way. But this is one feature that I love about my Invisalign, and if you work with me in my consulting company, you will get used to using these too, and you'll also learn to love them. And that is bite turbos or bite tabs or whatever you want to call them. They are on the back of the aligner, on the top aligner, and they are little jet out, like little ledges. We use these in braces all the time. We can bond them on the back of the teeth. We can also do something called a fixed bite plate. So everything that's in Invisalign has been extrapolated from some stuff we do in braces, which is why I think that every dentist who does Invisalign is actually doing things backwards. I think you should learn to do braces first, because the Invisalign will make 10 times more sense to you if you do it that way or do it concurrently. You'll be like, oh yeah, that's what I do in braces. That makes sense, right? So I love bite turbos, and I have a lot of videos about bite turbos. So you can go into my YouTube channel and search within my channel bite turbos, and it will come up. Lots of stuff, braces, aligners, etc. Now, bite turbos are not, as far as I know, is not a proprietary feature of Invisalign. I'm assuming the patent must have expired, because you can get bite turbos with a variety of different companies. So you don't, which is great, because if you've got a Medit scanner or a 3Shape scanner, you're kind of screwed, because right now Invisalign is blocking their use in the United States. You can use them in Canada, some of them, not all of them. You can use them in Australia, but you can't use them in the United States because of the lawsuit. So, but you can take your business, which I think is Invisalign's mistake, and you can go to some of these other companies, which are actually, if it's a mild to moderate case, just as good and half the price. Get the same outcomes, because they have all the features that I love and use, and none of the features that I think are just fluff. So bite turbos are available if you're interested in learning more about white label aligners, which are about, in the US, $20 a pop, $90 setup fee. Contact me, StraightSmile Solutions, info@StraightSmileSolutions.com, and I'll be glad to refer you so you can get the best possible prices and service. But anyways, bite turbos are amazing. I love them. I know Invisalign loves them too, because they just came out with their G8 protocols, which basically uses bite turbos on like tons of cases. I was already putting them on probably over 75%, if not 80% of my cases. Because you really can't go wrong with them. The key to using bite turbos is that you have to remove them. You can't go with their default protocol. You have to remove them a few aligners before the end, or you're going to be left with overjet. And I don't know why, for the life of me, Invisalign hasn't caught on to this, but they should make that. And a lot of times when I make these videos, I know you guys at Align Technology are listening to my videos, because sometimes a week after I make a video about something I like, I don't like, or a suggestion, you guys go and change your protocols to exactly what I say. So thanks for listening to my protocols and my videos. And remember, any type of videos I make where I'm criticizing or talking about Align Technology, I don't work for them. I don't get paid for this. They don't even like me. They harass me all the time. I shouldn't be making videos about their stuff, but you guys like their videos. You guys use their product. It is a good product, even though it's expensive. And I think it's lame that they're not using the scanners that we need. I understand the point, but you're really upsetting a lot of doctors, and you're not getting loyal customers, and they're going elsewhere, and they're doing a good job at it. So I think they're making a mistake. Certainly if they go and they take the 3Shape and the Medit and they remove these blocks, I mean, it's not the doctor's fault that you think they're copying your property. So, whether that's not our business to get involved with, so a patent infringement or whatever, don't punish the doctors, just charge extra, charge a surcharge for it, or give your iTero users a discount. I mean, whatever, but don't block the doctors from using your product. It makes people very upset. Anyways, love bite turbos. You should use them all the time. They are amazing. If you want to know why, watch my other videos on the mechanics behind bite turbos. All right, thanks so much.